Hi guys, my name is Michaela. I just got off the phone with somebody in your office and I don't know if my phone dropped the call, but I thought I'd go ahead and send this video anyways, just to give you guys some free information on how to get new leads just from your website alone. I'm just calling local businesses in your area, just giving out these free videos, no obligation, and again, it's just free information. So to get started, I do have a background in digital marketing and can tell you that Google looks for three separate things when ranking different websites on their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So I do see that you guys have a little bit in a few places, but honestly not a lot of content. So why is content important? Let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds content-rich sites and naturally just moves them up the rankings, okay? So with that said, I did some comparing of some different websites in your area, people who are ranking on page 1, and I'm going to recommend that you guys have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone so that Google can see you, okay? With that said, on every additional service page, we typically recommend anywhere between 5 and 750 words of text on every section. Now, why is this important? It's important because when we put certain keywords for these services, it allows us to get found on multiple search avenues. Google can point back to our site in multiple ways. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is called Ahrefs, and it gives me just an overall breakdown of how you guys are currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, there's not a lot of information here, or any information, honestly. So it shows that you're getting 0 traffic to your website every month, and you're currently not ranking for any keywords. In order to rank and be found when people type in carpet cleaning El Paso, Texas, you have to have that phrase as a keyword in the text on your website, if that makes sense. So having a carpet cleaning page, you could put in carpet cleaning El Paso, Texas and rank for that keyword. And every time that's searched, you guys are somewhere in there and then ranking higher for that, of course, as time goes on. So naturally, getting good quality keywords into the content on your site is going to really help get you guys seen by more people, driving more traffic to your website. There's supposed to be a few numbers here. Our UR number is typically referred to as the citations. And let me tell you what a citation is. A citation is anywhere that your business name, phone number, and and address show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages, okay? And how do we get to the top of this? By adding a lot of citations. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of citations out there, and the more you get, the higher up this ranking you go. In doing so and securing a top spot, you're visible, right? You're visible in people's face, and a lot of traffic comes from just being these top 3 people alone, which are why these spots are good ones to have when trying to get new leads and grow your business. So by doing that, this UR number is going to go up. It kind of creates a circle. The DR is directly referred to as backlinks and referring domains. So a backlink is anywhere that your business website shows up on another business website. So a direct link from their site to yours. And in doing this, that throws a lot of influence at your site. A lot of these web pages that have a lot of people coming to them and have a lot of influence, getting your link on their web page is going to show Google that, hey, this is an important site, and start shoveling some influence to your site as well. So in doing that, you're going to drive this DR number up. So getting both of these driven up is important because Google likes these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. In doing so, it creates stability, meaning your overall ranking in Google for any search keyword is going to be almost secure. So whereas you can kind of falter on that on the search at number like 17, and then you'll be at number 20, and then you'll be at number 24, and then back at 21, instead of kind of being all over the place and having a little instability, it kind of locks you in on a certain search platform, okay? So again, just to recap, get some good citations to drive that UR up, get a top spot on this GMB, and then secure all those leads that are going to come from that. Next, get a lot of referring domains and backlinks to put your website on. This is going to throw a lot of influence to your website, allowing this DR number to go up. Also, getting some good quality keywords put in the text and get a lot more content put on your site. That's going to help you get found on multiple search platforms. And I recommend about 750 words per service page and about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage alone. Well, guys, I hope this was good information. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or call me. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Just let me know what you thought about this video. I would appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a good night. Bye-bye.